Hey guys, my name's Chris. I'm here just tell you a little bit about my surgery. So I had rotator cuff repair. They were gonna maybe do a biceps tendinosis. I think that's the right terminology, where they cut in, detach my bicep tendon, and reattach it with an anchor. They did not have to do that. They just did a rotator cuff repair. So today's day 3 out of surgery, and I was able to take my bandage off and just take kind of like a quick shower. I didn't really let a lot of water hit my shoulder. I mean, they said I could, they said that I could have like water run over it, where the incisions were. But overall, the doctor said everything went well. He said that they did the rotator cuff, and he said he quote unquote cleaned out my shoulder. I'd say my pain level is like a 3 today. Overall, it's really, I mean, there's a little bit of pain, but not that much. So, I mean, overall, I've had 14 orthopedic surgeries, and this was really not that bad. It was about like 2.5 hour procedure. I have like 4 little holes on my shoulder with some stitches, and I guess I can't really do much for a couple months with my shoulder. But I mean, it was bothering me at night, and it was bothering me in the gym, doing the bench press. So, I was really grateful that the insurance company paid, what they paid. I actually had bought a better plan this year. So, I was able to get, like I would have paid more last year if I would have done it. So I'm grateful to Jesus for that. And I'm just going to have to mend. And I mean, it's a little bit of a pain having to like be really careful, like putting my shirt on and all that. But I mean, the first day it was a really big pain. Second day was a pain. Third day is not that bad. So overall, I mean, it's not been that bad. Um, I I'm just giving an update. This is just like rotator cuff repair. I did have a tear. It was a full tear. It was not a monster tear, and it was really bothering me at night and in the gym. So, if you're thinking about doing it, I'm just telling you like my experience. Like I said, my pain's like 3 to 4 today. It was, yeah, and they did a nerve block. So the nerve block was for like 20. I think it was like 20 hours was the nerve block. So, then that wore off, and then I took some pain medicine. I've been taking Tylenol too. Uh, just until it wears off. I took a walk, pretty long walk yesterday, and then about 3 miles, and I took another walk, maybe about a mile, to get some chips from the store. So I mean, overall, I feel pretty good. I just, if you're looking at having it done, I'm just telling you like my experience has been overall. I mean, I am kind of wiped out just from the anesthesia, but overall, I feel pretty good. So. Um, if you're thinking about doing it, this is how it's been for me. And, I'd just go ahead and get it done, before the United States collapses and nothing here is working, because who knows, what's coming down the pipe. So, anyways, that's all I got. Bye.